I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. If you're considering whether to file an Iowa wrongful death lawsuit after a loved one has died, it's important to know why getting a fair settlement can be challenging. Regular personal injury claims and wrongful death claims are very different. Understanding how they're different can help explain why getting a fair settlement for a wrongful death claim in Iowa can be so hard. Let's discuss what a wrongful death claim means. A wrongful death describes any case where someone dies because of someone else's fault. A death that occurs because of someone else's fault can happen in a variety of ways. Examples can include a medical doctor who delays a diagnosis until it's too late to help the patient, a nursing home that fails to care for a resident's bed sore properly so that the sores become infected and the resident dies, or a drunk driver who doesn't stop at a red light and crashes into a motorcycle, killing the rider. As you can see, there are many ways a wrongful death can happen. What is considered a fair settlement for a wrongful death claim will depend upon many factors, including who is at fault for the death. Next, let's talk about the differences in Iowa personal injury and wrongful death lawsuits. One difference between a personal injury claim and a wrongful death claim is the person who can bring the lawsuit. For a personal injury lawsuit, the injured person is the one seeking compensation. For a wrongful death lawsuit, the estate of the person killed is the one asking for compensation. Another key difference between personal injury and wrongful death claims in Iowa is the types of damages that can be claimed. Personal injury damages are awarded to the injured person. A typical personal injury settlement can include compensation for medical bills, lost earnings, loss of function of the body or mind, and pain and suffering. In a wrongful death case, additional damages can be awarded to the deceased estate. Economic damages are monetary losses that can be figured out from bills and other records. They can include medical bills if injuries are treated before death, interest on premature funeral expenses, and lost earnings. Non-economic damages can also be part of a wrongful death claim. These damages can include pre-death loss of function of the body and/or the mind, pre-death pain and suffering, the family's loss of household services that were performed by the deceased, and the family's loss of comfort, guidance, and companionship that was provided by the deceased. After a wrongful death, attorneys typically must hire economic experts to calculate how much these losses are worth. As you can see, figuring out the fair value of an Iowa wrongful death case is a complicated analysis that requires a great deal of training and experience. Before discussing settlement after the death of a loved one, find out your rights by calling RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.